What's going on, guys? Joel Robinson here, and in this video we are shooting Freedom First from BoomWow Fireworks. This is a 500 cake, looks like 10 shots, and it is fanned, so we're probably getting straight ups and maybe a W finale. We'll cut the top off here in just a second. Let's see if we can find a description. 35 seconds in duration, plus or minus 3 seconds. It's kind of a funny way to note that. Looks like some brocade action, as well as some willow and some glittering pistil. Cut the top off, and I was partially right. Looks like it starts with a straight up shot, then a V shot, then 3 straight up, and then a W shot.